Hi everyone, good morning. This is 31st March. I walked about 2 kilometers from my hostel, 2.5, to come to this Bitcoin ATM. They open only from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and yesterday we came there at like 5 p.m. Let's go convert some cash to Bitcoin, see how it is or what is the withdrawal. Let's go. Wowzies. Hi. It's closed. Alright, welcome to the Bitcoin ATM by Edina in Costa Rica. Let's go. Compra Bitcoin. Let's click on Bitcoin. I'm going to choose CRC less than 50,000. I have to put my código here, and my código is receive. There's my código that's going in. Check this out. It says wait. It says there's a fee of 2,700 and I'm gonna put in a 10,000. 10,000. Gonna get very bad rate. I'm gonna say comprar Bitcoin. The rate is 31,000. Alright, and I'll show you the Google rate. Awesome. There, 43452 BTC coming through in 3 hours. Let's go here, go to details, be in Block Explorer. The fees I paid is about $1.86. So check this out. I paid $1.86 as fee, $5 as their fee, $7 I've just paid as fee. And how much sats will I have got? If I click here, I got $12.34. I got $12 for paying $19. So I've paid like $7 as fee. This is Bitcoin ATM in Costa Rica. Let's go. Peace out. It's okay. That's how Bitcoin ATM is really expensive. So I got talking to the guy, and the guy said people use this to send money, and this is the only ATM where you can send more than $100 to almost like $500. But because they say if you send money through Western Union, it's really expensive. So this is used for sending money from Costa Rica. Wow. That's good to hear.